Can you believe that this wig is from SHEIN and it's 100% human hair? Stop. Stop right now. Look. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Jack, or JC if you have been a long time subscriber here, and if not, welcome. You good? All right. Okay, so I think it's safe to say that there's something a bit different. What I'm really upset about is that this is what I thought I would look like when I was watching Love Jones, when I was watching Love on Basketball, when I was watching Tuka Play a Dance Game, Vivica A. Fox, Gabrielle Union. I need a refund, because I thought for sure by the time I turned 23, because that's how old these people were playing in the movies, 23 to like 30 something, I thought this is what I was gonna look like. I'm upset. But do you see this hair? Okay, this is 16 inches, but I need to let you know that SHEIN has 26-inch wigs for $100. Let me say that again, 26 inches for $100. Now again, that's not what I went for, but you can see that the color of this wig is a brown. They said it was a chocolate brown. This isn't necessarily giving chocolate, but you can get any color that you want there as well. No color is off limits, highlights, all of that. Go check out SHEIN. This is a new sale that they're doing, 26 inches, $100. Any color that you want. There's free and no reason return, and this goes live on October 23rd, so this video should definitely be out in that period of time, so go check them out. I'm gonna actually show you guys how I was able to find the wigs and how you can too. So I can't even get over this hair. It's so funny. Anyway, you want to go on SHEIN and just type in the search bar 100. Boom, and once you're there, you can browse the page and look at what products may be on sale. So for me, I would say you pick one wig that you like. So choose, let's say, like a 4x4 lace, 26-inch option. So let me see. I'm gonna go with this wig here. Okay, boom. We have the 26-inch option. Perfect. And add to cart. Now, depending on what type of lace structure that you have, that's going to be the different price. So specifically the 4x4 lace options are the ones that are going to be $100, but if you're getting one that's 13x4 lace wig, that's going to be $150. So once you have the one that you want, you could go to your cart. So they want you to check out, and you can see that there is free shipping, free express shipping, and free standard shipping. It is limited quantity, okay, so first come first serve, but definitely go check it out. Anyway, let's get into how I put this wig on. Let's get right into the unboxing. So this is the wig. I love this box, it's very pretty. Here we have the wig, of course. You see that color? Comes with a wig user guide, and of course the wig cap. So this color is a it's a lot more blondish brown than I was anticipating. I was thinking it was gonna be more like a chocolate brown, but it's not really reading chocolate brown, especially with the light hitting it like this. Interesting. So first of all, I have to reiterate that this is real human hair, and SHEIN is now doing real human hair. This hair is, oh my god, it's very, very soft. This is very, very soft. Wow, it's very soft, it's very thick. I believe with this one I got a 150 density. I'm gonna have all the information down below. So it is a very white light lace. I'm not sure if it's pre-plucked. Actually no, it does kind of look pre-plucked actually. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to color the lace using products. So I like to use, and I also just like to get some of my own foundation and put it on the lace, especially like in the front and down the part. So that's what I'm going to do so that I can get this wig prepped for me to actually put it on and see if it fits my head. This is how I get my natural hair to fit under the wigs usually. This is my method. Basically all I like to do is take my hair, put it in a low ponytail, nothing crazy, And then this wig cap is actually very, very stretchy. Like, this is the wig cap people use when they put it all the way down their face and like melt the wig on. This is a darker color wig, so I'm not gonna do the whole melt situation. Some of my hairline is probably gonna be sticking out. But anyway, just divide my ponytail in half and boom. Put it in both sides of the wig cap and it's good to go. So when I'm putting this on, the first thing that I'm trying to do is get the wig melted on or stuck in some way to my scalp. So I like to use the Got2b glue. I have a lower hairline, which always causes me an issue. I know people with lower hairlines like to use the wig cap method, and I totally understand that. But when I have darker color wigs like this, like a chocolate brown or black, I don't mind having bits of my hairline out. Actually, I feel like it helps it blend a lot more. So with this, I'm gonna try doing it with some of my hairline out, and as opposed to doing the whole wig cap method or the melting with the wig cap method. So I just like to put a thinnish layer of Got2b glue around the perimeter of my head, get the lace on top of that, and I also like to use Got2b glue spray for some of the areas in between the baby hairs that I separate out. So for me, it's important to separate before I start some of the baby hairs out. I've done it in the past where I have not separated the baby hairs out, and oh my days, once that Got2b glue spray gets on it, it's very hard to separate hairs to create baby hairs, and I've always had struggles with that. So I'm like, you know what, let me try it this way where I separate the baby hair out first so that we can, you know, have the baby hairs already out and I don't have to worry about that when it's stuck down. So this is the first time I believe that I'm doing this the way, so we'll see how it comes out. But that's what I like to do. I just put a headscarf on that and let it dry for a bit. Again, I use a pretty thin layer, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna do. Okay, so while I'm letting the hair set and letting the lace melt, or well, I'm not even gonna say melt because gel. If it's slightly warm, that's enough for me. But yeah, I decided to curl the hair. This is a 16-inch wig, but I will say it's not layered, it's not styled or cut in a way that I would just wear it like this. So if you were better at styling, I think there's a world and a way in which you can layer, chop, cut, and all of that, and it'll look good and it'll lay well. But because I don't have that talent, I don't have the range, quite literally, I just got my curling iron and decided to curl the hair just to give it some more body, just to give it some more dynamicness. I don't know. Anyway, so once I was finished curling, then I decided to take it off and see how the front was doing, and it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. It doesn't blend as well as I thought it would with my darker hair, but it is fine. So for the edges, luckily I left those pieces out, so I just decided to curl the baby hairs, just because I found that curling it a little bit actually helps me get it all going in one direction, or at least laying flat. So I decided to curl it and then cut it. Once it was cut, I used a little bit of Got2b glue on my edge brush, which did end up breaking, unfortunately, but I used that to try and just get it moving in the direction that I want. It's not going to be stuck to my face. I don't know if the girls are doing stuck to the face baby hairs anymore in their wigs. You know, I'm trying to get with the times a little. So I just decided to do like a, as well as I could, a floating kind of baby hair look. And honestly, just slap a little bit of your foundation on the edges, on the lace that's still showing, which is what I did, and Bob's your uncle, you know? So this is how it's kind of looking now. I'm going to get ready a little bit so that I think things will come together way better. But the hair is really, really, really nice. It definitely feels like human hair, and the quality is there. Changed everything. This is how it ended up looking. I really do like it. So at first I was like, is this really dark brown? Is it giving dark brown? But with the curls in, with some makeup on, with this brown, I feel like you could really see the brown tones of it. Let me know what you lot think. Do you think that this color suits me? It's definitely different. It definitely is different. I did the best that I can in terms of the lace. I am not an expert, child, but I feel like the lace that they give is pretty good. And if you have a hairline, like a bigger, more forehead room, and the wig actually fits you, because this wig is a bit small for me, so it's kind of lifted in the back, I feel like you could do a way better job than I did. But I actually really like this. Like, is there a Halloween costume that I could be with this wig? I don't know. But yes, like I said, I will need a refund from Gabrielle Union, Vivica Fox, and Sanaa Layton expeditiously, because this is what I thought I'd be giving once I turned 23. Hello? Can you? It's not okay. It's not okay. 419 is not a game, okay? It's really not okay. But anyway, I am very happy and excited that I tried this wig out. Please do check out SHEIN if you're looking for an affordable wig. SHEIN is doing everything these days. SHEIN is not playing with none of us, okay? SHEIN is not playing with any of us. And honestly, with this wig, I'm kind of here for it. So I'm gonna end it here. Tell me what you guys think about this wig down below. A bit of a break from my natural hair situation. But yeah, all the links and everything, all the specs and everything for this hair will be down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you would like, and TikTok as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.